Welcome back to part 2. If you missed the first video where we set the crisp upfront vocal tone using compression, EQ and de-essing, go back and watch that video. The link is in the description. Now that we have the foundation, we can start adding effect and create the ethereal space that blues verse section has. To fully recreate these sounds, I'm gonna be adding 4 distinct effects: plate reverb, microshift, Valhalla supermassive, and more fodder. This song has so many different nuances between all the sections. I might do other videos covering the choruses and the bridge, but for now let's focus on the verse sound. First up, on an aux track, let's set up our plate reverb.
You were born bluer than a butterfly.
I'm using a decay time of 1.3 seconds and a short 30 milliseconds pre-delay. Now listen as I engage the high cut filter.
Beautiful and so deprived of oxygen.
Notice how the reverb immediately sounds smoother and less abrasive.
Older than your father's eyes, he never learned to sympathize with anyone.
I'll filter the high end to up around 15 or 16K. This keeps the space bright but removes some of the digital harshness. Our second effect is Microshift. So on another aux, I'm gonna set up Soundtoys Microshift. I keep it on the default setting and start bringing the send level up.
You were born bluer than a butterfly, beautiful and so deprived of oxygen.
Listen for how it creates this beautiful, subtle, extra space behind the lead vocal.
Older than your father's eyes, he never learned to sympathize with anyone.
Microshift is a fantastic tool to create stereo width and density without making the voice sound completely drenched in a wet effect. Here's another unique trick I like using to add depth. I'm using a vocoder fodder plugin set to the whisper setting and setting up a doubler right after it on the same track. The doubler is set with the quad setting and I have the 2 extra doubles set to the octaves down.
You were born bluer than a butterfly, beautiful and so deprived of oxygen.
I just love how this specifically adds a darker, almost subsonic depth and texture to the sound without completely overwhelming the core of the vocal.
You were born bluer than a butterfly, beautiful and so deprived of oxygen.
It's a great layer for that ambient Billie Eilish style production.
Older than your father's eyes, he never learned to sympathize with anyone.
The final layer I'm using is the delay throws. For that, I'm going to be using the Valhalla Supermassive, which is actually a free plugin, so if you don't have it, go get it now. My favorite and quickest way of creating an effect or delay throw in general is to use an entirely separate audio track. So essentially, I duplicate the vocal track, I have the effect that I want to use on it, and I simply copy and paste the word or phrases that I want to be affected only.
You were born bluer than a butterfly, beautiful and so deprived of oxygen.
Now we're only going to have effects on that word, and that's exactly what I want.
Older than your father's eyes, he never learned to sympathize with anyone.
So when it comes to Valhalla Supermassive, I have it set on the Forever Verb preset. While the song originally uses a subtle backing harmony or hums, just for this example, the idea is to create a similar texture just using this really long reverb delay throw. Then I automate the volume of the track that has that throw on it to perfectly shape it, make it swell in and out between the line, and do exactly the effect that I want.
You were born bluer than a butterfly, beautiful and so deprived of oxygen. Older than your father's eyes, he never learned to sympathize with anyone.
And there you have it, the complete Billie Eilish blue versed vocal sound, with the upfront crispiness from part 1 and the ethereal space from part 2. If you need a refresher on EQ, compression, and de-essing, please go and watch part 1. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll do more of this type of videos soon. Let me know if you have any suggestions on songs or artists you want to do, and I'll see you on the next one.